Today we are going to learn about the lines, the basic forms. So the basic lines are straight, see, horizontal line, vertical line. Okay, so what we have done, curve lines. Using these three types of lines, we are going to do one painting. So this we will learn it as a sleeping line. This we will learn it as a standing line. So for sleeping line and standing line, we will name it as a vertical line and horizontal line. Okay, this is vertical line, this is horizontal line, this is curve lines. So using these type of lines, we are going to create one painting like this. So here I had drawn I'm going to draw a flower in this part. So listen carefully what I'm doing here. See, take your A4 paper and then draw the paper, the four side margins you have to draw. After finishing your four side margin, take the pencil and draw the circle in center of your paper. Okay, draw the circle in center of your paper, and I'm just drawing it to one in center, one in the corner. Then I am just drawing a center line from here to here. I am just keeping one point from up, one point from down. Then this side also one point, this side also one point. Then I am just drawing one line like this. Again I am going to draw a line like this. After finishing my line, I am just drawing a center line for that. Again one more center line. Here also one more center line. After finishing it, I am just drawing a small curves inside this. A small petals I am just drawing inside this. I am finishing it with the curve lines. After that, we have to draw the petal inside this part. That's all. I completed my petal work. After this, that's all. I've completed this one. So here this is the stem for that. So I completed my pencil work. Use the pencil first. After finishing your pencil work, go for the black outline. Okay, after that I am just taking the black color, yellow, then giving the lines like this. Okay, I am just giving the lines like this. Okay, in this way I had complete all the whole petals. All the whole petals I completed. Then first all the petals should be in yellow color. Then take the red and do the horizontal lines in center of your flower. Okay, I had completed my horizontal lines here. Then for the stem also, I am going to take a green color and give the slant line for that. I am giving a slant line. Now I completed this area also. I want to finish this center part. What color I want to do means, I am taking the orange color. I am taking the orange color and giving all the hole in sleeping lines. Okay, so this is my line. See how I am just coloring. I am not filling all the colors. I am just drawing only the lines. It should not come out from that part. It should be within that place. In this way, I am going to fill all the whole parts of the petal. The outside petal should be like this. Okay, in all the direction. Choose your direction. It should, if it is going in this way, you have to follow in the same direction only. Check the petals, in which direction the petal is going on. The same way only your stroke should be there. Okay, this is the way of coloring. You are not going to fill all the hole. You are just using the straight lines, horizontal lines and vertical lines. Okay, we are just using the lines alone. Okay, in this direction also I had. That's all. I'm going to complete my fourth petal. How many petals you had drawn? You had drawn 8 petals. Okay. Just count and see how many petals you had drawn. Okay, we are going to complete this one. So only 2 petals remaining. We are going to complete those 2 also now. See, that's all. It's going to be end now. So you girls have to start in this way only. You have to start from the bottom to end. Okay, in this direction only you have to start. Don't start from that side. You have to start from here. You have to end the petal in this way. That's all. I had finished my flag. Then I am going to take the blue color. And I am going to take the blue color and start drawing the wavy lines. So we had learned about the wavy lines, right? So we are going to draw the wavy lines like this. See, it should be continuing that till that end. See how nicely I had drawn in the same direction. You have to follow the same. What is the color for the sky? The color for the sky should be in blue color, right? So I am just using the blue as a resemblance of a sky. Okay, I am just using only the wavy lines. Okay, I am not using any other lines. Only the wavy lines I am just using. Okay, up to this off portion, up to the center part of your paper, you can draw the wavy lines. Okay, up to this, the same direction, the same way how we had drawn this wavy line, how we had drawn the wavy line, in the same way you are going to draw in this direction also. So I am just drawing the wavy lines. It's not visible for you, right? So I just Is it clear? Is it visible for you? That's all. So the wavy lines is very important. It should be very neat and clean. Okay. So you are going to draw the wavy lines like this. That's all. We are going to end now. We came till the off page. Till the off of the page, you are going to put this wavy lines. That's all I completed. Now I am taking the green pen. Okay, and now I am taking the green pen. Now I am taking the green pen and adding the same wavy lines in this part. Again I am just adding wavy lines in this part. So whatever the materials you have, it may be a color pencil, it may be a oil pastels, it may be a sketch pens, whatever the materials you have, you can use that material for this. Okay. That's all. I'm going to end my grassy area. The grass will be in green in color, no? So that we are just giving the green color for this part around. Use zigzag lines. That's all. Okay, the same that side also, the same zigzag line. We are just following the same. This will improve your strokes. Okay, while writing, no, we need the lines. We are touching the blue line and writing the handwritings, right? So in that case, in that time or all, we will use these types of zigzag lines. It will be useful while writing in the handwritings. Okay, so I had completed all my works. Okay, now I am just finishing off. Okay, I am just going to finish it now. I am putting a black line for that. This is the finishing line, so it should be very careful. Okay, I had drawn a very neat line as a border line. Now I am completed. Can you see this? That's all. I am doing the final touch for this to look this one very brighter. Whatever I had drawn in a pencil, I am just giving the outline for that with a marker. That's all. Okay, for the petal also I am giving the black outline for that. For the petal also I am just giving the petals. That's all. Okay, this is here your works got ready. This is very nice and pretty. So finish like this, do like this and send me back. Okay dear girls, take care. Bye. Thank you dear.